Welcome. This short meditation is designed to help you practice mindfulness meditation. Practice often used to just simply quiet your mind. This space is for you to pause, to breathe, to notice, and to return to the stillness within. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to figure out, just the simplicity of being right here, right now. Find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair. Allow your spine to rise gently, not rigid, but alert. Let your hands rest comfortably on your legs. Gently close your eyes if that feels right to you, or soften your gaze on a point ahead. We'll start by bringing awareness to the body and the breath. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it, just become aware of it. The gentle rhythm of the inhale and the exhale. Feel the breath entering through the nose. Feel the breath leaving the body. Just sit and notice your breath. Nothing more to do. Now gently scan your body. Notice where you feel tension, the forehead, the jaw, the shoulders. Simply notice without needing to fix anything. With each breath, allow a little more softening. Soften the tension in your body. Let the body settle. Let the mind begin to go quiet. Now, bring your attention to the space around you. Begin to notice. What can you hear? The sounds nearby. The sounds far away. Just take a moment and listen. No judging, no naming, just noticing the raw sound around you. Now gently shift your awareness to the touch sensation. Notice the feeling of your body on the cushion, maybe the chair or the bed. Notice the clothes on your skin, the temperature in the air. Next, become aware of the smells around you. Is there any scent in the air? Perhaps subtle? Just noticed without seeking. Now shift your awareness to taste, even if you're not eating. Just simply notice the taste in your mouth. Neutral, lingering, fresh. Just take a moment and notice the taste. Nothing to do, nothing to think about. Just become aware. Bring it all together now. Your attention is wide open, receptive. Your sound, touch, smell, taste. You are here. You may notice your mind starting to wander, and that's okay. Thoughts will come, maybe plans, worries, distractions. Just simply be the observer. Let them come and pass as a gentle wave. No need to hold on to them. No need to go deeper. And when a thought occurs, just gently guide your attention back to the breath, or the sound, or to the feeling. Bring your attention back. Every time a thought passes in your mind, allow it to wash over you and focus on a sensation. This is the practice of mindfulness meditation, gently returning again and again, like the breath in and out. Attention drifts and returns. Each time you return, you are strengthening your awareness. You are deepening your presence. If your mind starts to wander, return to your breath, the sensation Inhale and exhale. Return to the sounds around you. Return to the sensations around you. This is your time. This is your space. Nothing to do but to just be aware. Feel a sense of calm wash over your body and your mind. Now, as we bring this practice to a close, just remember that every day you do this mindfulness meditation, the practice of quieting your mind gets easier and easier. Remember to just focus on your senses and the environment around you. Now let's take one big, deep breath in from your belly. Hold at the top for a moment and exhale out slowly. Begin to become more aware of the space around you. Wiggle your fingers. And let's wake the body up. Wiggle your toes. Let your awareness expand gently back into the world. And when you're ready, simply open your eyes. Now, carry this stillness with you, even just a thread of it. Let it anchor you throughout your day.